I'm just pulling in the parking lot into a Tim Hortons coffee shop. This place attracts a lot of people, college students with, laptops with Apple products mainly. So how would you convince someone to try Linux? I would bring two laptops. I would bring a ThinkPad with Linux Mint on it. Have them try that. Then when they see that, Linux Mint is really not that hard, it's easy, it's fast. Then when I say, oh, you think that's fast? Try this Chromebook. So they try the Chromebook and they see how fast that is. And I would bring my Chromebook, the one with the big screen and the stereo speakers, and play some of, Stephanie's music, of course. So when they see how fast that is. All right, so if I did all that and they're still not convinced about Linux, I would say, well, the next time you download an update on your Windows 10 machine and something doesn't work, don't call me. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I would say, look, have you had any, unique experiences with Windows 10? If you have, then you should consider trying a Linux-based machine. I'm going to grab a coffee and I have a coupon for a buy one, get one free donut. Donuts are okay, but man, I wish I had some big cannolis.